Hey there, are you frustrated because you're trying to order your favorite meal, but you keep encountering the dreaded DoorDash Now Unavailable message? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps on how to fix DoorDash Now Unavailable issue and ensure you can get back to satisfying those cravings in no time. Understanding the issue. Before diving into solutions, it's important to understand why you might see the DoorDash Now Unavailable notification. This message typically appears when the app can't connect to DoorDash's servers, possibly due to server outages, network connectivity issues, or app glitches. Knowing the potential causes can guide us to more targeted troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check DoorDash's server status. The very first step in solving this problem is to check if the issue is with DoorDash servers themselves. Head over to Down Detector or another server status website to see if other users are experiencing similar issues. If a server outage is widespread, rest assured the DoorDash team is likely working to fix it. In this case, patience is your best friend as you hold tight for an official. Step 2. Ensure a stable internet connection. A poor or stable internet connection can be the culprit behind the DoorDash Now Unavailable error. Check if your internet is working fine by opening a different app or a web browser. Ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is strong and stable. If needed, toggle airplane mode on and off or restart your router to refresh your connection. Step 3. Restart the DoorDash app. Sometimes simply restarting the DoorDash app can resolve unexpected errors. Close the app completely by force quitting it. On iOS devices, double-click the Home button and swipe up on the DoorDash app. On Android, access your recent apps and swipe the app away. After doing this, reopen the app to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Update the app. Using an outdated version of the DoorDash app can lead to compatibility issues, causing it to fail. Check the App Store or Google Play Store for any available updates to the app. Updating ensures you're running a version that's free from known bugs and compatible with DoorDash's ongoing updates. Step 5. Clear app cache. For Android users, clearing the app cache can help resolve glitches. Go to your device's settings, then to Apps or Application Manager. Find DoorDash in the list, tap on it, and then select Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache to wipe out temporary files that might be causing the problem. Step 6. Reinstall DoorDash. If all else fails, reinstalling the application is another viable option. This method ensures that you're starting fresh and eliminates any corrupt files that might be causing the error. Delete the app from your device, head to your App Store, and download and install it again. Log in with your credentials and hopefully you'll no longer face the issue. Solving the DoorDash Now Unavailable issue doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, checking for server issues, ensuring a solid internet connection, restarting the app, keeping it updated, and more, you'll maximize your chances of getting back to ordering your favorite meals without a hitch. Remember, while these steps can solve the majority of personal tech hitches with DoorDash, some issues might be out of your control. In those cases, reaching out to DoorDash support can provide you with direct assistance. Happy dashing.